Hi there, welcome to carving number 12. As I said in number 10, I bought a lot of new tools, one of them being a chainsaw. I did not release number 10 yet. Sorry. I never used a chainsaw before, I never touched a chainsaw before, I never worked with wetwood before. This is all new to me, so it's not an exciting project, as in I'm gonna carve a walnut bowl, but for me it's new and cool, and I just wanted to record how it was going. I should be honest though that I bought the cheapest chainsaw on a battery platform that I have, just to see if it would be something I would want to spend more money on. And I would like one of those still gas powered chainsaws, but you know, I live in the Netherlands and I have neighbors and they already should be complaining, but they are not yet. So I am not going to buy any gas power tools. But yeah, so far, chainsaw, cool. It's kinda fast or slow. I mean, the bandsaw would never be able to get through this, but it's not a lightning fast cutting saw either. Might also not help that I already hit 2 nails in this single log. So yeah, fun. So far I didn't experience any kickback from the chainsaw that it is. I would like it to at some point, so I can get a feeling for how it's like. I don't have one of those fancy carving bars, it wouldn't fit on this chainsaw anyway. I'm kinda scared of doing the carving the inside of the bowl with it. So I'm using different tools. Yeah, so to be honest, I will not be using the chainsaw anymore on this project from this stage on, so I guess from now it's just a normal carving video. I can still talk about chainsaws though. So there are a few very good reasons as to why I bought a chainsaw anyway. Number 1, I am insecure, and telling people I manhandle a chainsaw sounds really cool. Number 2, my bandsaw, reciprocating saw and handsaw just cannot handle giant logs that take up a quarter of my workspace. They lack the machine and human power to actually do it. So if you watch this, please let me know why. I really don't understand why people would choose to do so. There's a few, I guess, okay-ish, nice looking shots of the bowl. It's still wet, so water is still coming out of it. So, stay safe, thanks for watching, and goodbye.